Hey, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be showing you what I did for my bridesmaids proposal boxes. I totally forgot that I had this footage and that I even filmed it to begin with. So once I found it on my memory card, I was like, hey, I can't waste all that time that I spent filming this and making this for the girls. So I figured I would put it together and show you exactly what I did. The first thing I did was take these Sutter Home wine bottles and I took the label off and I ended up printing my own labels that said, will you be my maid of honor? Will you be my bridesmaid? And so all I'm doing here is just peeling off that label, and there was enough stickiness to it for me to just put that paper on itself. So I just took a ruler and I measured how big the label needed to be. And I used InDesign on my computer. I found this floral crown and a pretty font that I liked to use and put that on InDesign with the dimensions that it needed to be, but you could easily do this with Canva. You don't need to pay the monthly subscription for InDesign. After all of my labels were evenly cut out and the tackiness on the wine bottle was still there, I'm just pressing them on, and I didn't use tape or anything. They just stayed on this way. So it looked very clean and neat and you didn't see any tape. So it looked like the bottles already came that way. I believe I originally got this idea from Pinterest when I was looking at bridesmaid proposal boxes. They have a bunch of ideas and ways to make it personal, and I wanted to do everything a DIY way to make it cheaper, because if you buy these labels on Etsy or if you order wine bottles with customized labels, it can get pretty pricey. And for this, all I did was buy the wine and the paper and the ink. I mean, hey, it wasn't expensive like it would have been if I ordered it. Next, I had these big white boxes and I ordered them from Amazon, so I will leave the link below for you if you are in need of some white craft boxes like this. And I just used this big box to fill up everything that I got for them. I wanted to label each box with their name, and my handwriting and my calligraphy skills, I am just absolutely terrible at it. I have the handwriting of like a little 7-year-old boy, I swear. So I decided to print labels out as well, and I used InDesign for this as well with a pretty font that I liked, and I'm just going to cut them and then figure out a way. Towards the end of the video, you'll see how I ended up using the labels, but at first I didn't exactly know how I wanted to tape these on, but I figured it out at the end. I would love to know what you guys did for your bridesmaids proposal boxes, or if you have any fun, cute ideas to share, leave it in the comments below. Let everybody else know what are some fun ways to personalize these boxes. I know this was a lot of fun. I took a lot of time preparing this and thinking about it because I wanted each girl to feel special. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I make weekly videos on beauty, skincare, and lifestyle, and I would love to have you join my YouTube family. After the labels were cut and put aside, I had these cards that say plan with me, stand with me, cry with me, and laugh with me. I took this quote from Pinterest, so it wasn't my own idea, and I figured that the cards were too big. It came printed on a regular size piece of paper. I got them printed at FedEx so they could be a little bit thicker and feel more like a card, like from the store would feel. So I'm folding them and then I'm cutting them down to size, and then I write them each a personalized letter. Now it is time to fill the boxes. So at the time when I was making these boxes, I found this gift bag filler from Target in their like $1 section. I think I got each bag for $1 or maybe $3, but I wanted to use this to fill up the box. So I'm just spreading that out evenly. I know that you can get gift bag filler from the dollar store as well, so it doesn't have to come from Target because it will be a little bit more expensive that way. So I added my confetti popper, which if you haven't seen the video where I DIY these confetti poppers myself, I will go ahead and leave that video linked below in the description box so you can watch that. And I put in the bath bombs that smell amazing, and these are from Bath & Body Works, and then the wine bottle and their card, and then folding it on up. One of my really good friends made these t-shirts for me, so she just bought the t-shirt from Target and then used her Cricut to make a vinyl iron-on sticker, and it says Maid of Honor. I also got this idea from Pinterest, but I was lucky enough to have her make these for me because at the time I didn't have my own Cricut and didn't know how to do it. But I just folded these up really nice and placed them in the box, and each Maid of Honor got one. And this is what the Maid of Honor boxes looked like. Super cute, very personal, and they absolutely loved it. Especially the confetti popper. That was a lot of fun. I really wanted to use rope and baby's breath somehow in my boxes, so I figured I would just tie it around the box like this and then put the name tag on. I should have got the name tags printed on cardstock paper. It would have made the paper more stiff and durable, but it was too late. I just didn't think about it, so I just worked with what I had. The paper turned out fine. I poked a hole through it, made a little name tag, tied it tight, and then tucked in some baby's breath in the rope. And I just repeated the same process for the rest of the boxes, and this is how I proposed to my bridesmaids. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I hope that it gave you some inspiration and fun ideas. Again, leave in the comments below things that you have done, ideas that you have. Give some future bride-to-bes some fun ideas for their boxes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up for me. Hit that notification bell. Be sure to check out all my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love. Bye.
Thank you.